We're making salsa. You will need tomatoes, onions, garlic, cilantro, jalapeno, salt and pepper, lemon. First, just drop those tomatoes right in. Roma tomatoes are the best. Slice that lemon. Juice that lemon. Get it all out. There it goes. And pour the lemon juice into the Nutribullet thing. Slice that onion. We only need a quarter of an onion. In fact, a small quarter of a small onion is fine. That's enough. Cilantro, wash it first. Jalapeno, try a small piece at first. You can always increase it. Garlic. 1 clove. Chop the ends. Slice on the back. Peels easy. Habanose. Pepper. Salt. Yum. Put on the extractor blades. Blend. I put it on the pulse function, only let it do 2 cycles of pulse, and we're done. You don't want to chop it too fine. Perfect. Tap it, twist, strain it. I want to get some of that liquid out so it's nice and chunky salsa. You can use this liquid later for soup or something. Sometimes we just dip our extra chips in there. Get a lot of that liquid out. I actually prefer a double batch for 2 people.